Welcome to the SyncMD user tutorial video. This video will cover how to install the app, its basic features and functionalities, and how to synchronize with your own personal computer. Let's get started. The first thing you'll need to do is to download the SyncMD app from the Apple iOS Store or the Google Play Store. Simply search for SyncMD and we should show up as the first result. Install the app to your smartphone. Once this process is completed, go ahead and open the app. If you are an existing user, you can simply log in. New users will need to register. You'll need to read through and agree to our end user license agreement, perform two-factor authentication by entering your cell phone number. We will send a text message to the phone number that you list, and you will need to enter the code that was included. Next, you'll need to provide some basic demographic information such as your name, date of birth, and email address. This information may be used to communicate with you about your SyncMD account, and it may be shared with doctors that you send your records to so that they can properly match your SyncMD account with their own personal records. Finally, you'll need to enter an appropriate password for your account. If you are a veteran of the U.S. Armed Forces, you can use SyncMD to automatically share and synchronize your health records with participating VSOs. Search for your VSO in the list below and click Share My Health Record in order to synchronize. If you don't have a VSO, your VSO is not listed, or you don't want to share your health records with your VSO, simply click the Skip button at the bottom of the screen. Now that we're in the SyncMD app, let's walk through how to request records from a doctor. Simply click on the Request from Your Doctor button. You can use SyncMD to search for your doctor, clinic, or other healthcare organization that you would like to send your medical record request to. Simply enter the name of the organization and the city and state in which it is located. SyncMD will then search for the doctor or healthcare organization that you entered by using the NPI database. The NPI database is a government database of registered healthcare providers and their organizations. The information in this database is not maintained by SyncMD, so you will want to double-check the details to make sure that they are correct. Once you have selected the correct doctor or healthcare organization, click Create Request. We will pre-populate the fax cover page based on the previously entered information during the registration process. Next, you'll need to specify the types of information that you are asking for, if you would like a limited subset of information, or all your medical records. SyncMD will also need to scan a valid state or federally issued ID card in order to validate your identity and provide healthcare organizations with the information they need to authorize the release of your medical records. You may need to rotate the picture of your ID so that it is properly aligned. You'll then need to provide an electronic signature using your smartphone's touchscreen. Finally, you'll need to provide your home address. The home address is also used by your healthcare organization in order to verify that they have the correct individual and that all the records match. SyncMD will then generate a preview of your completed record release form. Take a moment to review the details, especially checking for any misspellings of your name or other errors. Those errors may cause a delay in your healthcare organization responding to your request, as it may take extra time for them to confirm your identity. You can see a list of your record requests in the SyncMD app. Once your doctor has uploaded your documents to SyncMD, SyncMD will send you a generic text notification letting you know that you have new documents in your account. You can now view these documents in your SyncMD app, as well as share them with anyone that you choose. To view your SyncMD documents on your computer, simply open up any compatible web browser and go to syncmd.com. Once you're on our homepage, you'll need to log in with your email and password that you used when creating your account in our mobile app. Once you're logged in, you should be able to see all the medical records and documents that have been uploaded to your SyncMD account. You can view all of these documents, print off hard copies, download electronic versions to your computer, and even upload new ones. Thank you for watching and enjoy SyncMD.